How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another Davinci Resolve editing tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys the best, in my opinion, the best glow effects for Davinci Resolve. Now, all of these, I'm going to warn you, all of these, you have to have the Sapphire plugins installed to use. I do have a tutorial on how to get the Sapphire plugins, so if you don't have them, you can check that out. If you don't have it, if you don't want to actually buy it itself, you can just get the free trial and test them out as I show them off. But yeah, this is just the best glow effects in my opinion, and there really isn't much to work with in the base of Davinci Resolve anyways. So no matter what, you're gonna have to kind of install some kind of plugin to use any real glow effect. But yeah, today we're gonna be using Sapphire lighting. And the first one on the list is just straight up S_glow. It's very simple, but it's just really good. So this is what my clip looks like without it, and this is what it looks like with it on. You can change the brightness and everything. Obviously, that's how most things like this work. You can change the threshold. Typically, what I use this one for is when I'm making a montage or an edit. I just use this when I get a kill for about it lasts 3 frames ish, maybe 5. And I also like to add this in the final render on top of the contrast, or sorry, the color correction and the contrast and everything. I like to add this on top just to kind of give highlights to all the main focal points. So that's what this glow does. It's more of like a highlight type thing, as you can kind of see. Anyways, the second best glow in my opinion is S_Z glow. This is basically the same thing, but just a more mild version, and it seems to highlight a bit more than just S_glow. Like, as you can see, it highlights this little orange thing. It highlights the outline of the whatever the fuck that thing is in the sky. It just highlights everything that's a bit light, and it makes it just a little bit more light to draw in that little bit of focus. It's extremely subtle, but when a project has it on, you can tell that it's a bit higher quality. You can't really tell that it's because of this, but you can tell that it's higher quality. Alright, and the third best, in my opinion, we're going to show off 4. The third one is Glow Dist. This is something you would use as a kill effect. You wouldn't have this on the entire clip, but if you turn down the brightness a bit, almost so that it's completely off, kind of like this, and you maybe put the threshold a bit up like that, it can look really good when you get a kill. You can even change the brightness, but have very few of the little dots. Whatever works best for your project. But I think this just looks really good. Yeah, I realize I'm saying the same thing over and over again about each effect, but that is just the truth. It just looks really good. And it kind of highlights, kind of again, focal points, but kind of in a different way where it adds little dots, depending on how much of a focal point it really is. And the last one is kind of different. It is S_glow dogs. This is good because it's different than just turning down the brightness of your project. It actually seems to in the dark spots of a clip, it does. Oh, what the hell? That's interesting. It seems to actually darken the dark spots of a clip. See, look at that. That is really, obviously you wouldn't do that. You would do a more subtle version of it. Maybe up it to 0.2-ish, maybe change the threshold a bit. It just makes it look a bit more grim, a bit more dark and gritty for those extra dark projects that you're doing. There have been a few that I've done in the past before I knew about this that I really wish I knew about this, because instead of just using this effect, I would fuck with the contrast, and it looked way more ugly when I did it that way. So this is a really good glow effect. And there's a bunch of others that I'm not showing off. And there's even more in different plugins that I'm not showing off. But these are just my 4 favorite. that I think have the widest range of usability. But yeah, if this video helped you out in any way, shape, or form, make sure you drop a like and a sub as helps me continue to make more of these videos. Yeah, stay awesome like always. Peace out.